Alabama, southeastern Russell County in southeastern Alabama, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hawkinsville, or 14 miles southeast of Hurtsboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hawkinsville and Twin Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Russell, Alabama,